Video marketing has become a lucrative avenue for online marketers, and now you can tap into its potential without the need for video creation or editing. Hello Freinds, I am Roy and I am introducing vAI, the world's first Google AI Bard-powered app that legally hijacks any trending video from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, redirecting its views to any link of your choice. Experience the power of vAI as it effortlessly turns videos into profitable assets, generating up to $695.34 daily on autopilot. vAI, a groundbreaking application, boldly asserts itself as the world's pioneering solution driven by Google AI Bard. Its innovative concept revolves around legally redirecting online video views to preferred links, all without the need for video creation or editing expertise. Within this comprehensive review, we delve into vAI's touted features and capabilities, aiming to gauge its potential value for its users. That legally hijacks any trending videos from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo. And for each video you hijacked, it directs all its views to any of your affiliate offers, e-com store, blog funnel, or website. With vAI you can also collect hyperactive lists directly from these videos. Sell virtually any product and accept payments without getting involved in the selling process, because it sells for you directly on these videos. Add limitless AI interactive elements. Add call to actions, buy buttons, form, download buttons, and more to any video. Integrate your autoresponder and payment processors. And the reason it works well is, it taps into Google's algorithm with a technology that hacks into traffic from any video platform. Finally, you can say bye to spending funds on ads and other promotions. Key features and functionalities. vAI's standout trait is video hijacking, redirecting viewers to chosen links. AI-powered interactivity integrates call to actions and purchase buttons, enhancing engagement. The AI traffic generator broadens reach, and compatibility with platforms like YouTube and Vimeo enhances usability. The virtues of vAI include an enticing one-time payment alternative, obviating the need for recurring monthly expenses. The AI-fueled interactive components and the potential to transform competitor views into profits constitute notable merits. However, the complexity of the app's operations might entail a learning curve for beginners. Furthermore, while vAI exhibits substantial potential, actual outcomes could vary based on niche and strategy. vAI offers an array of interactive elements that boost traffic, leads, and sales in your videos. Features like e-com store integration, customizable CTAs, images, countdown timers, buy now options, forums, quizzes, and more captivate your audience and drive them toward your desired actions. Real user testimonials. Authentic testimonials from users underscore vAI's efficacy. Stories of users transitioning from struggles to successes, augmenting their income, and attaining substantial growth with minimal effort underscore the app's potential to revolutionize online businesses. Strategies for maximizing vAI. To optimize vAI, consider the following strategies. Select high engagement videos to hijack for optimal results. Experiment with diverse interactive elements to resonate with your target audience. Routinely analyze the performance of your hijacked videos to refine your approach. So guys, after watching the review of vAI, Google's Bard AI-powered app, if you know more about vAI, visit the official website only. Thank you for watching.